A guide to preventing and treating bad breath. Cause, diagnosis, and the management of halitosis. Halitosis is the term for bad breath, which is a common and often embracing condition. It is caused by volatile sulfur compounds, foul-smelling gases produced by bacteria. It affects a significant proportion of the population, and they can lead to anxiety and social discomfort. The bad breath is clinically detectable by an organoleptic test or smelling the breath. It's caused by factors like morning breeze or consuming certain foods such as onions or garlic. In this case, it is physiologic. So, physiologic halitosis can be caused by like morning breeze or consuming certain foods. Pathological halitosis is caused by underlying medical condition, either oral or extraoral. Pseudohalitosis is the individual believers they have bad breath, but no malodor can be detected by others. It is often a result of heightened anxiety or misperception. Halitophobia, or a persistent delusional fear of having bad breath despite no actual odor, is called halitophobia. Sufferers are convinced they have bad breath and it can significantly impact their quality of life. Those are classification of halitosis: genuine halitosis, physiologic halitosis, pathologic, pseudohalitosis, and halitophobia. Intraoral causes of halitosis include bacteria and volatile sulfur compounds. The primary source of bad breath comes from bacteria on the tongue and in periodontal pockets, which produce volatile sulfur compound by breaking down proteins. The other intraoral cause is poor oral hygiene. Irregular brushing and flossing leaves food particles and plaque on the teeth, gums, and the tongue, which decompose and cause odors. The other is periodontal disease. Conditions like gingivitis, periodontitis cause bleeding gums and inflamed tissue, where bacteria thrive and produce malodorous compounds. Dry mouth or xerostomia is another cause. The lack of saliva reduces the mouth's natural cleansing ability, allowing bacteria to multiply and cause bad breath. Other oral factors such as dental caries or cavities, dental abscess, unclean dentures can also contribute to bad breath. Extraoral cause of halitosis: systemic disease, certain medical conditions such as diabetes can cause fruity breath odor due to ketones. Kidney and liver failure can cause fish odor. Respiratory infections such as sinusitis, tonsil stones, or lung infection can be a source of malodor. Diets such as digestion of certain foods and spices release odorous oils that are carried to the lungs and exhaled, affecting breath odor until they are eliminated from the body. Tobacco use, such as smoking and chewing tobacco, dry out the mouth and leave chemical residue that cause distinct and unpleasant smell. Diagnosis of halitosis is most of the time by medical history and physical examination. Inquire about patient's medical history and oral hygiene habits, as well as examine the mouth and the tongue to identify potential source of odor. You can also do organoleptic examination, a qualitative assessment where a clinician smells the patient's odor to evaluate the presence and the severity of malodor. Objective testing, or a specialized instrument which can measure the levels of volatile sulfur compounds, can be used. Gas chromatography is the gold standard for measuring specific component of breath. Halimetry is a portable device that detects overall sulfide level. When we came to management strategies include: the first is mechanical reduction. Focus on removing odor-causing bacteria and debris. Thorough oral hygiene. Brushing and flossing regularly is essential. Tongue cleaning. Brushing or scraping the tongue, especially the back, is crucial as it harbors a high concentration of bacteria. Chemical reduction. Using agents to inhibit or kill odor-producing bacteria. Antimicrobial mouthwashes. Antimicrobial mouthwashes which may contain ingredients like chlorhexidine or other chloride compounds, are important. And also specialized toothpaste, which can be prescribed for more persistent cases. Treating and addressing underlying causes such as periodontal disease, dry mouth, or systemic illness. Prevention tips include maintaining excellent oral hygiene, brush twice daily, and floss once per day. They also stay hydrated, drinking plenty of water to promote saliva production, which helps cleanse the mouth. Eat a balanced diet. Limit food with strong odors, and crunchy fruits and vegetables can help naturally cleanse the mouth. Avoid tobacco. Tobacco is highly recommended for oral and overall health. Quitting smoking is very important. Chew sugar-free gums. This stimulates saliva flow and they can help wash away bacteria and debris. As a summary, halitosis is a treatable condition with multiple causes, most originating from the mouth. With proper diagnosis and the combination of good oral hygiene and professional dental care, bad breath can be effectively managed. If bad breath persists despite good home care, it's better to communicate with a physician, especially dental professionals. Thank you for watching.